Hey BBs, it's MJ's PYT777. I'm back from my long, adventurous walk in downtown Kyoto, and I just wanted to show you guys a couple of things that I bought. The first thing that I have here is the Michael Jackson 5 remixes. I was able to actually listen to it. If you look on the back, they have a lot of remixes of songs here, and they kind of have like a reggae feel to them, but they're like really awesome. So I was debating whether or not to get this or illegally download it online, and I thought, well, I want to support Michael, so I'm going to buy this album. The album is, if you can see here, it's about 2,800 yen. So basically, if you move the decimal point over, it's about $28. But you know, it's definitely worth it. It's about, I don't know, 22 odd songs. So the last time that I talked to you guys, I was trying to get a poster for This Is It. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to get it, but I was like, I'll try. But the cool thing was, I was able not to get the poster, but actually this, which is a Michael Jackson sticker. Oh my god. I kind of freaked out in the store. I asked if they had any more or different kinds, but I didn't want to push my luck on that. I think it's absolutely amazing. I've never really seen this one before, so this is really, really cool. So I'm excited already that I'm getting a bunch of stuff. The next thing I got, which really excited me, was Moonwalker! I was in the bookstore, and it happened to have CDs. And I was walking around, of course they had This Is It and things like that, and I saw Moonwalker was the last copy. So I'm like, oh my god. So I went up to the counter and asked the guy, you know, just to make sure, even though it's Japanese, it is totally in English, of course, and that's fine. And at the bottom, which is really awesome, it says 1,500 yen, which is basically $15, but when he scanned it, it came up to like $12.50, so that's an extra savings there. So this is much better than trying to get it off Amazon or something, or having it shipped, so I'm really excited. So I think what I'll do now, now that my roommates are away and I can enjoy Michael in peace, I'll probably listen to the Michael Jackson 5 remixes again, and then maybe a little bit of Moonwalker. So actually that is it. So my next stop will be in Tokyo, so I will show you guys, hopefully, if they're not really upset, the MJ store, which I'm really, 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 really excited about. Alright guys, so I will catch you on the forum. Peace.